exploring the mysteries of the stars, a journey through the cosmos. Welcome to A Journey Through the Cosmos, where we explore the fascinating world of stars. From the blazing blue giants to the dying embers of red dwarfs, each star tells a story of cosmic creation and destruction. In this vast expanse, these luminous spheres are scattered like diamonds on black velvet, each holding secrets waiting to be unveiled. Join us as we venture into the heart of nebulas, witnessing the birth of stars, and journey to the very edge of supernova, where these celestial giants meet their dramatic end. From their immense sizes to their life cycles and recent discoveries, let's dive into the mysteries of these luminous spheres. Scuti, the reigning champion of stars. Our journey begins in the constellation Scutum, where we find the colossal Scuti. If placed at our solar system center, it would extend beyond Jupiter. Scuti is a hypergiant, shining with the brilliance of hundreds of thousands of suns. Nearing the end of its life, it will erupt as a spectacular supernova. Canis Majoris, a star on the brink. Our next stop takes us to the constellation Canis Major, home to another stellar giant, Canis Majoris. This red hypergiant has already shed a significant portion of its outer layers, forming a vast nebulous shroud that surrounds the star like a cosmic cocoon. These expelled gases, rich in heavy elements forged in the star's core, will eventually disperse into the interstellar medium, contributing to the raw materials for future star formation. Astronomers believe that Canis Majoris is on the verge of a supernova explosion, a cataclysmic event that will briefly outshine entire galaxies. When Canis Majoris does finally meet its demise, it will be a sight that will forever be etched in the cosmic tapestry. G64, a distant giant in a sea of stars. Our journey now takes us beyond the Milky Way to the large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of our own. Here, amidst a sea of stars, lies G64, another contender for the title of the largest known star. G64 is shrouded in a thick torus of gas and dust, making direct observation difficult. Despite these observational challenges, astronomers have been able to piece together a picture of this distant giant. Its estimated radius places it in a league with Scuti, potentially even larger. G64 is also a highly luminous star, radiating energy at a staggering rate. As with other hypergiants, G64's life will culminate in a supernova explosion, scattering its enriched stellar material throughout the large Magellanic Cloud. Chapter 4, 354, Cepheid, a pulsating giant in the Cepheus constellation. Our cosmic voyage now brings us to the constellation Cepheus, where we encounter V354 Cepheid, a red supergiant star that pulsates with a slow, rhythmic beat. V354 Cepheid belongs to a class of stars known as Cepheid variables, named after the prototype star Delta Cepheid. These stars exhibit a distinct relationship between their luminosity and their pulsation period, making them invaluable tools for measuring cosmic distances. By carefully measuring these variations, astronomers can determine its intrinsic brightness, and by comparing this to its apparent brightness, calculate its distance. Although not as large as Scuti or Canis Majoris, V354 Cepheid is still a giant among stars, with a radius hundreds of times larger than our Sun. Its pulsations serve as a reminder that even the most massive stars are dynamic entities constantly evolving over time. Chapter 5, Betelgeuse, the Future Supernova. Our celestial journey now brings us to the familiar constellation Orion, where the bright reddish star Betelgeuse shines prominently. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant star nearing the end of its life. It has already swollen to an immense size, with a radius roughly 1,000 times larger than our Sun. In recent years, astronomers have observed significant dimming in Betelgeuse's brightness, leading to speculation that the star may be on the verge of a supernova explosion. When Betelgeuse does finally explode, it will release an unimaginable amount of energy, briefly outshining all the other stars in our galaxy combined. The explosion will be visible from Earth, even during the daytime, creating a spectacular celestial display that will last for weeks or even months. While the exact timing of Betelgeuse's supernova remains uncertain, it is a stark reminder of the impermanence of even the most massive stars. Chapter 6. Antares, the Heart of the Scorpion. Our next destination takes us to the constellation Scorpius, where the brilliant red supergiant Antares marks the heart of the Scorpion. Antares is a true celestial giant with a radius roughly 700 times larger than our Sun. Antares is a binary star system, meaning it consists of two stars that orbit around a common center of mass. The primary star, Antares A, is the red supergiant that gives the system its distinctive appearance. The companion star, Antares B, is a much smaller and hotter blue-white star. Despite its smaller size, Antares B is still a very luminous star, shining brightly in contrast to its larger, cooler companion. In the not-too-distant cosmic future, Antares A will reach the end of its life and explode as a spectacular supernova, scattering its enriched stellar material throughout the surrounding interstellar medium. Our celestial voyage now takes us to the constellation Cepheus, where we encounter Mukephe, a red supergiant star visible to the naked eye. Also known as Herschel's Garnet star, it was named by William Herschel for its deep red color. Mukephe is one of the largest stars known, with a radius over 1,000 times larger than our Sun. This red supergiant is nearing the end of its life and is expected to explode as a supernova. Our journey takes us to the constellation Puppis, where RS Puppis pulsates with a celestial rhythm. Cepheid variables exhibit a direct relationship between brightness and pulsation period. This makes them invaluable for measuring cosmic distances. RS Puppis is enshrouded in a nebula, creating a light echo. Studying these echoes helps measure its pulsation period precisely. This allows astronomers to calculate its distance accurately. Our cosmic voyage takes us to Cygnus the Swan, where we encounter NML Cygni, a massive luminous blue variable star. It's over 1,600 times larger than our Sun. When it explodes as a supernova, it will briefly outshine entire galaxies. Our final destination takes us to the constellation Sagittarius, the Archer, where we encounter KW Sagittarii, a red hypergiant star that pushes the limits of stellar size and luminosity. KW Sagittarii is a true celestial giant, with a radius estimated to be over 1,400 times larger than our Sun. Red hypergiants are among the largest and most luminous stars known to exist. KW Sagittarii is a relatively cool star with a surface temperature of around 3,700 degrees Celsius. Despite its cool temperature, it is incredibly luminous, radiating energy at a rate millions of times greater than our Sun. KW Sagittarii is a highly evolved star, having already exhausted the hydrogen fuel in its core. The future of KW Sagittarii is uncertain, but it is likely to end its life in a spectacular supernova explosion, scattering its enriched stellar material throughout the surrounding interstellar medium. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder at the sheer scale and majesty of the universe. From the smallest red dwarfs to the largest hypergiants, stars come in a breathtaking array of sizes, colors, and luminosities, each with its own unique story to tell. The study of stars is a journey of discovery, a quest to understand the fundamental processes that govern the universe. Through the lens of astronomy, we gain insights into the origins of the elements that make up our world, the evolution of galaxies, and the ultimate fate of the cosmos. As our technology and understanding continue to evolve, the study of stars and stellar phenomena remains one of the most exciting and dynamic fields in modern astronomy. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Please subscribe to support our channel. Peace and love to all.